Okay, I just got a box of locks in today from Lock Brass or Den Brass. It has lock brass on the locks. This is a 6-pin Corbin. The lock does work. This is the bitting on the key. Very drastic bitting. This one looks like it's so deep that it probably sits flush on the plug. So probably won't even have to pick that key there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's probably number 4. So that one is setting pretty deep on in the key. Okay, the key's hard to get back in. Okay, it's not wanting to go back in, even though it does work. There it is. Okay, it still works, so that key is probably flush on the plug. Okay, we have another lock, unknown lock here. I think it's probably a Klassen KIK type lock. Okay, this is another one has a deep pin in it, number 4. Probably another flush setting pin on the plug. Okay, the lock does work. It does hang up some due to the pins. We have a Ilco Yale type keyway, no key, so I'm sure this is probably not a challenge lock. Okay, we also have a Mullen 5-pin. It does work, and due to the bitting on the key, this is probably not a challenge lock either. But anyway, we'll get around opening them all of them and see what's in the lock. Okay, I have a Faultless. It's a 5-pin, and we don't have a key for this. We do, but we don't. This key is broke, so he sent me the broke key. It's really not going to do any good on the key. So anyway, let me see if I can get this Faultless key off out of the way, and let's open it up. But this is the bitting on the Faultless. It's another deep cut pin. You always have to watch out for these deep cut pins in these locks, whether you know they're there or not. You have to actually feel for the pins, because a lot of these pins are flush with the top of the plug. I've seen it many times. So anyway, let's see if we can open this lock up today and see what kind of pins are in it. Okay, let's use the bottom of the keyway, and let's see if we can use this pick. Let's go to the back of the lock. Let's use light tension. Okay, there's pin 3. A bit on 1. Let's go to the back again. There's a little bit on 5. And we dropped the tension wrench then, so let's see if we can reset the pins. Okay, there was pin 5, 4, and 3. See if we can get back in the lock now. Okay, we get some feedback on pin 1. Okay, there it is, open. Alright, let's see if we can get this nut off the back. Whoops. We're fixing to lock it back up. I think we did mess up then. See if we can get those pins pushed back up. There we go. Alright, we don't want to lock that thing back up. There it comes. Make sure it's not going to lock. Okay, it's not locking up yet. So we're still safe. Okay, let's see if we can slide this follower in. Okay, let's look at our top pins first. Okay, all pins are in. Let's dump them out so we can look at them. Okay, we'll take a look at those pins real close in a minute. It looks like all of them are serrated except for 1 and 5. Let's check our plug. Okay, it doesn't look like there has been any changes made to the plug. Okay, let's see what we can do with the top pins now. Okay, there's a some type of serrated spool on number 1. Looks like a standard pin. Whoops, that one just popped out. Okay, looks like another standard pin. And looks like another one, another T-pin. It popped out. I think it went in that way. I've got a little brass wafer. It's come out of something. We'll move these springs out of the way. Oh, here's the wafer. I guess that wafer went on this, I guess this was a T-pin. Was in like this. Not sure where that wafer came from. Okay, it doesn't look like he has made any changes to the Bible that I can tell. It all looks standard to me. Doesn't look like he's drill these plugs out and put new plugs in. Okay, let's take a look at this these pins a little closer. Okay, this is a standard key pin. This is a spool with a miniature spool on top, or a serration. This is another serrated key pin all the way down. I think this was actually flush with the top of the plug. Let's take a look at that. Oops. Okay, that is just about flush with the top. It is flush with the top of the plug on number 2. So this is serrationed all the way. This is another spool type key pin, or serrated key pin. This looks like a little mushroom type spool on number 3. Okay, we got a nasty looking point on the bottom. Standard key pin. Standard key pin. And I guess this was on top of the wafer, or the wafer's on top of that T-type pin. I'm not sure. That may not be the way it came out. Wasn't expecting this lock to have all this good stuff in it, but it does. Okay, I appreciate your time. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble. And let me put the key up here so you can see the approximate bitting on this lock. Okay, there's what the key looks like. So I'll have to try to make a new key for this lock when and if I ever get it sent out to someone else. Okay, thank you very much. I appreciate this lock. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble. And thank you for watching.